scroll through Instagram Reels and sometimes the audio of some Reels is much lower than the rest of the Reels? Well, that's because they're not using professional audio miking gear to film their Reels. However, Instagram has just updated and now you don't need a professional mic to film your Reels. You can just enhance your audio directly in the app. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. So you don't actually have to record the reel in Instagram. You can upload the audio file as well and then enhance it, or you can record it directly in Instagram. So I'm just going to record it directly in Instagram. So hi, today I am going to show you how to enhance your audio. So I can hear it as is. You can see that the menu is up top now. However, if you don't see that menu up top and you see this menu instead, all you gotta do is press that arrow placing down or just the video itself, and then you're gonna be able to get to this menu where it's up top. Now, to enhance your audio, you're just gonna press the music icon, and then here it's going to say enhance. So this allows you to adjust the quality of your audio. So I can just lift it up. So you can hear it's already louder and it sounds more clear. Now I'm done. What you can also do is you can add music to this too. So let me add some music. But once I add that music, I can no longer hear me talking. So I need to change the controls. So I'm going to press that music again, and I'm going to go to my controls, and I'm going to lift up my camera audio and then decrease the music. So you can hear that I'm talking with the music. You can also add effects to you talking. So you can see here in the camera control, it says add effects. So you can add different voice effects to it.
I'm going to show you how to enhance your.
So there's a bunch here you can choose from. I'm gonna go with none because they don't really match the video, but that's something fun to play with. And then when you're done, you're done. And you can hear that the audio is already louder. So this is a great way to enhance your audio without having to use a microphone when you're recording videos. You can also use this, for example, I recorded a video previously and I want to add that. Exit here, start again. When I'm in this home screen, I just swipe up. Here's a video I already created, and this is just talking about white balance, so I can add this and then I can go into it. I can enhance my audio. I suggest lifting it up all the way to 100%, and then I can add my controls. So say I want to add effects, I can add effects to this as well, remove my effects, and then add music or anything else that I want. When I'm adding music and I'm also talking in the video, I suggest adding music without words to it because it's going to make it easier for them to hear what you're saying. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.